Hi there, my name is Mr. Labidis, and in this video, which is the 22nd video from my 7th practice set on SAT, we will work together an exercise which is focused on percentages through a word problem. Let's read that out carefully. Based on a census, the population of city A was about 92% of the population of a city B. If city A's population was about 460,000, which of the following is the best approximation of city B's population? Okay, I always like to visualize things, so let's say that this here is city A, and we were told that this city has a population of 460,000 citizens. And we have another city B with a population, since we need to find it, let's call it X. Now, do we know anything that connects these two numbers? Yes, we do. We know that the population of city A, which means that value of 460,000, is 92% of the population from city B. So it's 92% of X. And now all that we need to do is just operations. I can do them as well easily by hand because I would have to cross multiply times 100 equals 92x and then divide all this by 92, or I could just go on Desmos, or even in my calculator. Let me go here. You can see that even if I do that like this, times 100 over 92, it's going to be 500,000, which is the answer I was looking for. Or even if I go directly to solve the equation, 92 over 100 times x. Here, however, since we're talking about Desmos, remember that Desmos is super cool when working with systems, but not so cool, if you ask me at least, when working on equations. Why is that? Here, the solution is an amazingly big number. It's 500,000. In order to be able to see that on Desmos, we should go and zoom out, like it seems doing that forever. If we do that enough, at some point, there you are. You can see the solutions. One thing that I don't particularly like on Desmos is that my solutions are found are seen as vertical lines, which might be quite demanding from someone to understand that. So, in this case, I would propose, do as much as you can by hand, and then plug in Desmos, use Desmos to do the final operations. Don't let Desmos do the original equation from the beginning. But that's something that it's totally up to you. And of course, don't forget that if you have the a scientific calculator, please use that. It might be better in this case. Anyways, the right answer here would be C. I hope I made you see the differences between using yourselves and Desmos, and I hope I helped you decide what strategy to follow on each time. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.